Doctor, for assured relief from cough and congestion, prescribe XL 90 dry cough syrup. Excellent control over dry cough. Doctor, XL 90 dry cough syrup contains dextromethorphan 10 mg, phenylephrine 5 mg with chlorpheniramine 2 mg per 5 ml. Doctor, dextromethorphan in XL 90 dry cough syrup suppresses cough bouts. Phenylephrine decongests the nasal passage and chlorpheniramine relieves allergic cough. Doctor, XL 90 causes less sedation and available with mixed fruit flavor. So doctor, prescribe XL 90 dry cough syrup in dry cough, smoker's cough, allergic cough and cold, and nighttime cough with nasal congestion.